The Iron Tide, a true story of survival strategy and the birth of an American empire. They said the ocean was a wall. In the winter of 1606, when the ships left England, most of the men on board believed they were sailing toward gold. A few believed they were sailing toward God. Almost none understood they were sailing toward death. The three ships and the Susan Constant, the Godspeed and the Discovery cut slowly through the Atlantic, their wooden ribs groaning like old bones. For 144 days they crossed an ocean that had swallowed fleets and erased maps. Salt rotted rope, rats chewed through grain sacks, fresh water turned sour. Men whispered that the sea itself was cursed. When land finally appeared in April of 1607, it did not look like salvation. It looked wild, silent, and watchful. They named the place Jamestown. What they did not know was that Jamestown would nearly vanish from history before America ever had a chance to exist. The Virginia Company investors in London had promised riches, gold mines, trade routes, spices. Instead, the settlers found swamp. Mosquitoes rose in black clouds. The river water carried disease. The soil near the settlement was brackish and stubborn. Within months, fever began its quiet campaign. Gentlemen colonists, many of whom had never farmed a day in their lives, searched obsessively for gold instead of planting crops. They dug glittering rocks from the riverbanks and sent them back to England. Certain fortune was near. The rocks were worthless. Meanwhile, food ran out. Captain John Smith, a soldier of fortune with a sharp tongue and sharper survival instincts, tried to impose order. He forced the men to work. "He that will not work shall not eat," he declared.